Hey friends, coming to you from 9293 Lapwing Court in the Long Reach subdivision, Hawkins Farm in Columbia, Howard County. Awesome location. Listen, we've got I-75 nearby. You got Route 29, you got I-95, you have Columbia Mall, lots of shops, lots of places to come to. Beautiful home, new hardwood floors, lots of perks, 3 levels, a lot to like, ready for the right buyer. Come take a tour. Look forward to any feedback you might have. Thanks.